Drivers heading north out of Horseshoe Bend in May will experience road construction. I'm your Idaho Backroads neighborhood reporter Steve Dent, and I highlight the work being done and what drivers need to know before heading out. On Monday, the Idaho Department of Transportation will begin work on the nearly 100-year-old Rainbow Bridge to make it safe while they prepare to build a new bridge across the Payette in either 2028 or 2029.
We're working through the environmental process on that. We're also working through some designs. We've been doing some geotechnical work and soils investigation, trying to determine different types of foundations, different types of walls, trying to straighten out the geometry a little bit for the bridge and make it a lot safer.
The future of the Rainbow Bridge remains in question, as crews will make repairs on the joints on top of the bridge, the floor beams, and also underneath this historic bridge. And it means Highway 55 will be down to one lane of traffic Monday through Thursday until the end of summer.
We need to ensure that our old bridge can continue to allow commercial traffic to drive across it. It's pretty important to the citizens in our northern communities.
For drivers that head east out of Banks toward Garden Valley, they can expect construction from May 12th to May 31st. This will close the Banks-Loman Road from the end of Garden Valley to Loman, as the Boise County Road and Bridge Department will be doing ditch work. The closures will happen Monday through Thursday from 8 a.m. to noon and from 1 to 5, with an hour in between noon and 1 where vehicles will be able to pass through. And we also have the new signal at Banks, which will be operational on Monday. That's another ITD project. But if you're heading north out of Boise, make sure to check Idaho 511 and slow down.
Please be patient. We want our folks to go home. We want the folks on the road, traveling the road, to be safe. Maybe consider taking US 95 if it could save you some time.
I'm your Idaho Backroads neighborhood reporter Steve Dent for Idaho News 6.